Hello viewers, welcome to the video lecture series for job role of Solanaceous crop cultivator class 9th. In this unit, we will discuss about soil nutrient management in vegetable crops. This unit has two sessions. Session 1, macro and micronutrient in soil system, and session 2, manures and fertilizers. Let us now begin with session 1, that is macro and micronutrient in soil system. In this session, we will learn about introduction of plant nutrients, classification of plant nutrients, their function and deficiency symptoms. So viewers, let us understand introduction of plant nutrients. Plant nutrition is an important factor which directly affects the growth, yield and quality of a crop. Soil contains many mineral nutrients, organic material and water which are absorbed by plants. If any of these nutrients are deficient or not available in soil, it affects crop development and a plant shows deficiency symptoms. Therefore, soil nutrient management is necessary for successful crop production. Do you know, students, there are a total of 17 nutritive elements which are necessary for growth of plants. All elements are equally important irrespective of their requirement or presence in a plant. Few important points to be kept in mind are that a plant cannot complete its life cycle in the absence of that mineral element. The element is specific and cannot be replaced. The element must directly be involved in plant metabolism. So students, let us now discuss the classification of plant nutrients. Nutrients can be classified according to their requirement and importance in plant life. As you can see in the table, nutrients are divided as basic, macro and micronutrients. The basic nutrients include carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Macronutrients include nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium and sulfur, whereas micronutrients include iron, manganese, copper, zinc, chlorine, boron, molybdenum and nickel. Let's discuss these in brief. Macronutrients are further subdivided into primary nutrients and secondary nutrients. Primary nutrients comprise of nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. These nutrients are supplied through fertilizers, whereas secondary nutrients comprise of calcium, magnesium and sulfur. Micronutrients. They are also known as minor or trace elements. They include iron, manganese, copper, zinc, chlorine, boron, molybdenum and nickel. Let us understand nutrients, their function and deficiency symptoms. First, nitrogen. Its functions are to promote the growth of leaves and stems, enhance the dark green color in plants and improve the quality of foliage. It is necessary for the development of cell protein and chlorophyll. Its deficiency symptoms are following: loss of vigor and yellowing of green parts, shortening of the stem, leaves become paler and remain small in size, slow growth and the plant becomes dwarf. Second, phosphorus. Its function are following: stimulates root formation and healthy growth of roots, increases the number of tubers in tuber crops, necessary for enzyme action in many plant processes. Its deficiency symptoms are: growth of plant is retarded at the early stage. Older leaves curl up and become purplish in color. Sometimes scorching of leaf margin is observed. Third, potassium. Its functions are: helps in carbohydrates and protein synthesis, helps in the transfer of carbohydrates from leaves to roots, increases disease resistance, vigor and hardiness to drought and frost, increases yield by increasing the size of tubers, hence it is important for processing cultivars. Its deficiency symptoms are: coincides with the onset of tuber initiation. Deficiency symptoms appear as dark bluish green leaves and shortened internodes. Terminal leaves show bronzing accompanied by necrotic spots. Fourth, sulfur. Its functions are promotes root growth and vigorous vegetative growth, essential for protein formation, required in metabolic activities. Its deficiency symptoms are shoots become light green, veins on the leaves also turn paler, yellowing of leaves and stunted growth of plant. Yellowing starts from upper leaves and the plant shows chlorosis. Growth of a plant is retarded. Fifth, calcium. Its functions are improves plant vigor, influences the intake and synthesis of other plant nutrients, important constituent of cell wall, improves specific gravity of tubers and thus enhancing tuber quality for processing. Its deficiency symptoms are failure of development of terminal buds at apical tips. Small leaves. Leaves do not develop normally and have wrinkled appearance. In severe deficiency, young leaves at the top. Sixth, magnesium. Its functions are influences the intake of other essential nutrients, helps in assimilation of fats, assists in translocation of phosphorus and fats. Its deficiency symptoms are green parts between veins in leaves become pale, though the veins remain green. Leaf tips curl up, slender and weak stalks. Plants become slightly pale and older leaves develop. Seventh, zinc. Its functions are synthesis of tryptophan, helps in enzyme action, essential for protein synthesis and seed production, fastens the rate of maturity. Its deficiency symptoms are younger leaves become yellow. Shallow pits develop in the intervenal portion on the upper surfaces of matured leaves. Leaves show intervenal necrosis while midrib remains green. In tomato, small narrow yellow leaves with black spots. Eighth, iron. Its functions are essential in enzyme system of plant metabolism, essential for the synthesis of enzymes responsible for chlorophyll synthesis in plants. Its deficiency symptoms are yellowing of younger leaf blades while veins and petioles remain green. Affected plants remain small and do not respond well to normal fertilizer treatments. Ninth, manganese. Its functions are helps in the oxidation reduction process during photosynthesis, essential element in respiration. Its deficiency symptoms are plants show a light intervenal chlorosis of leaves. Matured leaves, when observed in light, show netted veins. Appearance of chlorotic and necrotic spots in intervenal areas of leaves. 10th, copper. Its functions are essential for the synthesis of chlorophyll and other plant pigments, helps improve the flavor and the content of sugar in vegetables, increases the dark green color of leaves and also the crop yield. Its deficiency symptoms are necrosis on the tip of young leaves along the margin, defoliation, leaves of deficient plants curl up and their petioles bend downwards. 11th, molybdenum. Its functions are involved in nitrogen fixation and nitrate assimilation, required by some microorganisms for nitrogen fixation in soils. Its deficiency symptoms are chlorotic intervenal mottling of lower leaves followed by marginal necrosis and infolding of leaves, wilting of leaves. In cauliflower, the lamina of new leaves fail to develop and gives a whiptail appearance. 12th, boron. Its functions are helps in the synthesis of bases of RNA, ribonucleic acid, promotes root growth, enhances pollen germination and pollen tube growth, thereby improving fruiting. Its deficiency symptoms are loss of apical dominance, leaf blades develop pronounced crinkling, darkening and crackling of petioles. 13th, chlorine. Its functions are has a direct role in photosynthesis, necessary for shoot apex and root growth. Its deficiency symptoms are chlorosis and wilting of young leaves, chlorosis of interveinal area of leaf blade. In severe deficiency, bronzing of matured leaves on the upper surface. Let us now summarize this video. The important points that you have learnt in this video are introduction of plant nutrients, classification of plant nutrients on the basis of macro and micronutrients, nutrients, their functions and deficiency symptoms. Thank you.